Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the updated steps on how to attach a file when sending an email using the Gmail app on your phone. Whether you're sharing photos, documents, or any important files, this guide will show you exactly how to do it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Once you're in, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the red Compose button. This brings up a new email message window. Before you start writing your message, you'll want to make sure Gmail's confidential mode is turned off. To do that, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the menu that appears, select Confidential Mode. Now, in the Confidential Mode settings, toggle the switch to turn it off. This step is important because when Confidential Mode is on, Gmail restricts attaching files. After turning it off, tap Save to go back to your draft email. Now it's time to fill in the email details. Enter the recipient's email address at the top. This is who you want to send the message to. Add a subject line so they know what the email is about, and type in your message in the body of the email. To attach a file, tap the paperclip icon, usually found near the top right or bottom of your screen depending on the version of your app. This opens your phone's file manager. Browse and select the file you want to send. Once it's attached, you'll see it appear below the message. And that's it. Once everything looks good, hit Send in the top right corner of the screen. Now your email, complete with your file attachment, is on its way. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides. See you in the next one.